Wow, wow, wow. That's how we do it, ladies and gentlemen. Global star Ram Charan.
Namaste to all my media friends. Namaste. First time I'm feeling very alone, but also I'm feeling so much welcome. Thanks to all of them here. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, sirs. Thank you. So मालूम नहीं यार मेरे को भी जल्दी जल्दी करना है movies. मालूम नहीं इतना देर क्यों होता है. See, you know, Shankar sir made a remake of Three Idiots in South. It's called Nanban. So when they released in Telugu, I was the chief guest for that. I was sitting right. It's a small story. I just want to share. I was sitting next to Shankar sir, and मैंने ये सोच रहा था कि अरे कैसे बोलूँ शंकर सर एक मेरे साथ नहीं किसी के साथ भी इट्स ओके बट जस्ट मेक ए तेलुगु फिल्म यार सिर्फ तमिल तमिल फिल्म बनाते हो एंड मेरे डैड के साथ बनाओ या एनी ऑफ माय कंटेम्प्रेरी हीरोज बट वो बोलने के लिए यू नो आई डेंट हैव द गट्स ऑल्सो एंड आफ्टर कपल ऑफ ईयर्स देन आई गेट अ कॉल फ्रॉम मिस्टर राजगारू saying, Shankar sir, I was do last or 2 schedules of RRR. I was working. Then Raju sir comes to Ramoji Film City where I was working. He says, Ram, so Shankar wants to work. I said, huh? Achha, yeah, baad mein bolenge. He said, hello. क्या बाद में बोलेंगे ये शंकर सर है ये आपके पास क्या है शंकर सर आएगा Then I got to know it is really Shankar sir. I was like, shit, Raju sir, call right now. So it is such a dream come true for me. You know, we all have been watching his movies growing up. You know, recently Mr. Rajmuri sir also said he's the epitome of commercial films, the larger than life. He has defined what is the global film and global cinema and the pan-India cinema. He was the first pan-India director we had. Hats off to him, and I'm so blessed. And yeah, I don't know if how my dad will feel, but yeah, I'm very blessed. He should have done it with dad. So I'm very fortunate, and it's a blessing to work in just 5 years to work with a director like Mr. Rajmuri Garu, and then Shankar. As an actor, it is so enriching, and it's so much to learn from both of them.
You know, you were directed by Rajamouli sir and now Shankar sir. Kya difference hai?
Oh, thank God, difference. Bolo to. You didn't compare them.
Not at all, sir. Not at all.
So both of them are taskmasters. Both of them expect a lot from each and every person, and especially having such beautiful actors. He is one of the craziest person and the craziest actors I've met. He is. And he just said he saw the song and he saw Kiara and me. मैंने तो producer का ये देखा था उसमें. So I think both Mr. Rajmuri sir and me, Mr. Shankar sir, both are taskmasters. They give you every opportunity perform करने के लिए and to be your best. Yeah. It is very rare to work with such talent, yeah. And they keep pushing you always. And there's not one day where थोड़ा relax होने के लिए time मिलता है. नहीं. Every day, even if it's a single shot. I remember one day I was sitting with Shankar sir saying, "Hi Ram, coffee pe?" Yes, sir. Abhi first day tha. Then he was having a coffee, I was having a coffee, and suddenly he started looking not at me, at my hair, and he called assistant director. He said, "Idhar aao, wo iPad leke aao." And he's looking at the iPad and this thing. I said, then मेरे को मालूम पड़ गया he's not talking to me. वो character के साथ बात कर रहा है. Ram Nanda. I said, "Idhar aao." And he started touching me. It is very intimidating when somebody touches you like this. I said, I can't say. He said, कुछ बदला क्या? क्योंकि iPad में जो आपको पिक्चर ने भेजा था वो कैरावन में exactly नहीं था. I said, I swear to God, it is only 5% difference from what he sent. But he is so particular and he is so master at his craft. Even that 5%, it doesn't matter. And even if you're Mr. Rajnikant ji or Kamal Hassan ji, he worked with, or myself, doesn't matter. He's so particular. So that's what I enjoyed working with him. And yeah, Dilraju sir said already, I think global platform is very important for all of us, like for Indian film. And especially in Dallas, I think it's such an overwhelming response. हमने सोचा भी नहीं था. And it truly tells us how the global audience are the true cinema lovers. And most of our revenue is coming from there, and they truly love cinema for cinema it is. And it's just not for because I am there or Shankar sir there. They love a good film. And to have that response, I'm very blessed. And just like us and our audience as well.